Sawubona Mzansi, and welcome to this evening's MIH Live. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. We do appreciate you for stopping by, for seeing what we're getting up to, and for supporting us. So, in yesterday's live, what we did get up to is we firstly had a look at one of the new businesses, Rooted Auto something. We'll have a look at them again. And then we also had a look at what the new patient manager looks like, and fixed a few of the bugs that appeared. So there was one that I didn't fix. I completely forgot about it yesterday or today, and started working on something else. So we had a look at the patient manager, what it looks like now, the new look and feel, how things are going with it, and I'm quite impressed with what it looks like. And yeah, I'm excited for you to try it out, test it out when it is available to you. So what we are going to work on today might be a little bit boring. It is some tedious work this evening. So what we are going to do is we are going to overhaul or update our new MIH alerts. The MIH alerts widget of ours. Sawubona Iki, nice to see you here this evening. So the MIH alerts, or the MIH package alert, is a custom widget that we created in order to show different messages and alerts on the screen. So like success messages, error messages, all of those kind of things. We created our own separate widget in order to do that. But when we had a look at it, we really did it in an inefficient way, and we are updating it. So what we did do is we enhanced our MIH window feature, and we're just going to be using the window in order to show alerts. So they're both the exact same thing. They're just a rounded, cornered, square rectangle that displays information to you. So I didn't see the need of having a whole separate widget that basically performs the same functionality. So we did this. However, in order to cater for the different messages that we do repeat all over, we are using Sawubona Nelson. Nice to see you here this evening. We are using... Sorry, let me respond to this. Sorry, my bad. So yes, like I was saying, we... After removing this alert widget that we had, Sawubona Bri, nice to see you this evening. Sawubona Tabo, Sawubona. So yeah, we created a new alert service on our side, MIH alert service, and this is the one that we can reuse for multiple different things. Sawubona Dr. Ipfi, we appreciate you for the follow. Thank you so much. And I see someone's joining us on YouTube. Julian Bew. Mal, shout out. We appreciate you. So yeah, we did create a service in order to repeat some of the features, like a success message, a error message, all of those kind of things. So now what we are going to do is we are working on changing our legacy alert system to the new one, to using the windows and stuff. So that's what we are going to get up to this evening. So yes, before we start with that, thank you so much for the follows. If you like MIH, please feel free to find us on, let me flip over first. Please feel free to find us on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the web. All you have to do to find us is search MIH or MIH app, and we will appear at the top of the list. I know there was, I think, one of our members of Mzansi from India who was saying he was struggling to find it on the Google Play Store. It's probably an SEO thing from Google Play side. And yeah, but if you're having any issues, please let us know. You can DM us, you can ask us now in the chat, and we'll just send you or put it in the chat where you can download MIH. Let us know what store you want to use. So yes, before we proceed, let's have a look at how the MIH community is growing. If we have a look right now, MIH currently has 1,111 people and 50 businesses are part of the MIH community. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for creating your MIH account and downloading MIH. We do appreciate you. So yes, let's head over to our code. So we're going to dive straight into our code in order to start coding on our side. So if I have a look over here, there's a few errors coming from somewhere. Let's see this. So I'm seeing the errors over here on this side. And wait, sorry, my Twitch chat is not showing up over here. No, it should be showing up. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. So yeah, here's the errors over here. So we can have a look inside there to see what exactly is the errors that we are facing over here. It must be something simple that we can fix quickly. So advanced error. Okay, delete this. So, oh, undo. So we do have an advanced error and a normal error. Okay. So we still need to test all of these things out. So my strategy for this is to just code, make sure that everything is completed, and thereafter we can start figuring things out to see if they're looking good, not looking good, all of those kind of things. So let's yap this one over here and paste it just above it or over here. And instead of success, we can call it error. Change this to error. Error advanced alert. And we'll just change the color to red for now. Change inside word, red. So this is our new window. So you can see MIH package window over here. So that's what we are using. Let us know in the chat if you have any questions, what MIH is all about, what advanced alert, any questions that you might have. Change inside word, error, advanced alert. Errors, advanced alert, not errors, error. X. Okay, perfect. So that should be fine. There should be, okay, everything is fine now. Yeah, everything is fine now over here. We can save this. Services, home. Yeah, so we can proceed back with migrating things over to our new package window and our package service. So let's head over to, let's close this, close this, close this, close this, close this. Sorry, I'll fix my editor now for you. Let me close all of them actually. And what we're looking at is this one over here. So if we put it here, now the people on YouTube will be able to see. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Shout out, shout out. So let's see. So this one over here is a show delete review alert. So let's see what services we do have. So these are the services, delete. And what the important thing to look out for is the buttons over here. So since this one has like our own custom, our like buttons do crazy things over here, what we will do is maybe we can just use the normal. Oh, we can use MIH alert services dot advanced error advanced, and then string title action. Okay, put this here. So then our title will be delete reviews. So let's enter and we can start pasting things. Oh, Gemini is, or Copilot is helping us there. So perfect. Are you sure you want to delete this? And then our buttons will be over here. So Shift V, let's go all the way down. Button. Okay, we have another button over here for cancel. So we're gonna yank that and then go all the way up and paste that inside here. So append, enter, let's paste it here, save. And then we should be able to remove this one now. Shift V. And what's our, nah, it should be all right. Let's go all the way down. to delete this stuff. So over here, delete. So now our alert is over here. We're not going to test it out. We'll do all of the testing later on. There's one more area where we need to do this success message. So this should be a simple success message. Okay, not a simple success message, a more advanced success message. Okay. So what we can do over here, CR binary trader, shout out for the follow, we appreciate you. MIH alert services dot success. Yep. Here, and then should be title, message, enter, should be square brackets. Sir, can you make me a binary bot as a programmer? So thank you so much, Binary Trader, for your chat message. So I have no idea what a binary bot is. So you can elaborate in the chat, but in the meantime, what we will do is we will ask Mzansi that question. So Mzansi AI is our friendly AI assistant, and we should be able to ask it, please explain what a binary bot, I'm going to say binary trader bot is all about. And you can fact check us, CR. You can fact check Mzansi AI to see if Mzansi AI is talking garbage to us or not. So once it's done, we'll have a listen.
Hey there, waving hand. So, you're curious about binary trader bots, right? No problem, I can definitely shed some light on that. Essentially, a binary trader bot is a piece of software designed to automatically execute trades in binary options markets. Think of it as a digital assistant for trading. These bots use pre-programmed algorithms and strategies to analyze market data and make trading decisions, all without direct human intervention. Here's a quick breakdown. Automated trading, the core idea is to automate the process of binary options trading algorithms and strategy.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Mzansi AI, for that. So just having a look at what Mzansi AI said, like I assumed, it is a bot to help you with trading and stuff. So we probably could program it for you, but the only problem with doing that is I have zero experience in trading, and the bot is not going to learn this on its own. So I'm going to have to teach it the things, but I don't have the skills on my own. So I don't think I'm the best person to go to in order to program this binary bot for you. I think you should go to someone who has expertise in like trading and things like that, and know what the system looks like and how the system works. So if you explain a little bit more, we can think about it for a bit, but right now I don't think I'm the best person to go to in order to program this for you. Thank you so much for diving into the chat though. I understand, thanks, we appreciate you. So yes, we were working on our, our success message. So let's see our button. So this is it over here. So we can V and go all the way down. So it's just a dismiss button. I'm gonna yank this. Oh, paste. Nice. Perfect. Delete. Perfect. And then we can just delete the stuff over here. So shift down, up. Delete. And then we should be able to hit to the top and remove our import over here. Perfect. So we're done with that one now. So what we can do is we can look at our next one. So the next one is our update business details window. So in this window, it's probably a success message. Nice. A success message telling us what's happening. And this one, we can use a simple success because it's just using context.pop. So our basic success allows us to do that. So we can say, MIH alert service. So this is why I was saying it's tedious work to do. So let me know if you have any questions. We can dive into it. Or if you're enjoying looking or watching me code some boring stuff over here. So this one would be success, but basic. And then Why is this telling us? Oh, it just needs a message. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We'll hook it up like that. Shift V. We'll highlight all of this. And we'll delete it. You know what? I can see myself improving in Vim. So I know a long time ago I did speak about starting to use Vim. And I'm seeing the motions I'm making right now when it comes to doing things in Vim. Upload file, so let's see what this is just an alert, so it can just be a normal success or a normal error. Error updating, okay. Edgar Kings, shout out for the follow, we appreciate you. So let's see. So MIH alert services dot error. Perfect. This is why we created the services. So instead of doing all of this code over here, all I do is call the service. Where am I calling? All I do is call my service over here. So 4 lines of code compared to so much code. Delete this. So there's another one where we'll have to business details. Oh, this is update business details windows. Okay, let's remove our import for that package alert. And we can move on to the next one. So I'll show you now. People on YouTube, my bad. Yeah, you'll see it now. So this is what it's looking like. So this is all the files where I do have the package alerts that I am moving over to the package windows. So this is what we're getting up to now. So there are quite a few stuff over here. So let me know if you would like to discuss something else, if you'd like me to code something else. We can do this, but I think this is one of those legacy issues that if we didn't solve it now, the issue was just going to get bigger and bigger as MIH grew. So updates, this one should be done. And then we're going to go to here. This one is business details setup. So there should be an alert. This alert is what kind? A success, and it should be a custom success. Yeah, it should be a custom success. So let's hook up a custom success. MIH, or an advanced success. Alert services dot success. Advanced. Then over here, and then enter. We should have square brackets here. Insert. Okay. So now we're just going to grab our button. V. There's V. Let's go all the way down. Yank this. Let's go up. And paste this in. Perfect. And then delete the stuff. Delete. Perfect. Oh, sorry, Edgar King. When do you begin your lives? Thank you so much for the question. We appreciate you. So our lives do begin at 7 p.m. Monday to Thursday. So you weren't too late, maybe about 15 minutes late, but we do begin in 15 minutes. So King, since you asked and you did arrive a little bit late, so what we are getting up to now is, let me flip my camera, then I can speak to you nicely. Let me flip my camera here, and then I'll give you the overview again. So what we are getting up to, so yesterday we had a look at the patient manager and patient profile packages and the overhauls that we did there. But and everything was perfect over there. I forgot about the bug that we encountered yesterday. I'll fix it tomorrow. I completely forgot I was doing this the stuff that we were working on today. So what we are working on today is, inside MIH there are multiple different ways that we are handling alerts to users. So like we created our own. So previously we created our first custom alerts, and we used that in the beginning stages of MIH. Then when we started creating our own custom widgets, we created a package, MIH package alert. That package alert was then used in some places, and I still had the original alerts out there. So there was already a mismatch between these two. And then what I noticed is that the difference between an alert and a window, there's not really much difference. So there's no need for us to have two different widgets that do the exact same thing. So what we are doing is migrating all of our alerts over to using our MIH windows, because we did enhance our window to make it a little bit more better when it comes to handling alerts and stuff. So that's what we are getting up to this evening. So I hope it's not boring. We just out here coding. We're out here trying to sort things out. So, okay. So what we can do over here is delete this import. And we can move on to the next one. Next one is our QR code. Our QR code, it's over here. Let's change this. I don't want to use that arrow technique. I want to use the closing brackets technique. So I think here. Yeah, perfect. I want to use the closing brackets technique, and we'll just have to return it. Append return. I hope that answers your question, Edgar. Let us know if there's anything else. Anyone else, Mzansi, let us know if you have any questions. We'll try our level best in order to assist you with that. Sign in error. So this needs to be maybe a warning. Let's see what alerts we have. So we have basic confirmation warning alert, title message. So we're gonna need a custom something. Oh, you know what? For these ones over here, I'm just gonna use straight up user window. Yeah, I'm just going to use a window straight up. So that's what I've encountered also. If there's a specific one that doesn't really align with any of our alerts, it's going to be its own custom alert. And instead of creating one custom alert for this one, what we are going to do is just use the window package over here. So O, and then we can say return MIH package window, and full screen false. Window title, null, no title. Kutso, nice to see you. Yeah, it's been a minute. We missed you. Close, we will say null for this also. We don't need that. And then body, column, children. I see your message. I'm going to check it out now. So cool. Bro, how have you been? Kutso? Let us know. I've been dealing with ASP.NET. Shout out. NMVC. What is that? Can you press Alt F4? 100% I will press Alt F4. So let's open up a new incognito window on... Let's open up a new incognito window and press Alt F4 for... what's his name? So I'm using a Mac. I don't know if Alt F4 works. I am using it now, and it doesn't seem to be working. I think it's something else, Max. Let us know what's the shortcut combo, Max, in order to close a window, because it's not Alt F4 on. Let's ask Mzansi that question actually. Let's start a new chat. What's the keyboard shortcut to close a window in Mac OS? So Max over on YouTube was telling us we should press Alt F4. So the actual command, Max, is W, or it's the command button and W. That's how you close a window. So next time you jump into someone's live, ask them to press command W if they have if they have a Mac machine. Shout out. So let's see. MVC. MVC is Model View Controller. Interesting. Model View Controller. Let's start a new chat. What is a Model View Controller? So how have we been doing? We are doing good. MIH is coming along. We are growing. We currently have 1,111 people and 50 businesses a part of the MIH community. So slowly but surely we are growing. Things are moving over here. And yeah, we good. I see you've been going through the most with your new project. So let's listen to what a model view controller is all about. Let's hear.
Hey there, waving hand. You're asking about MVC, which stands for Model View Controller. It's a popular architectural pattern used in software development, especially for building user interfaces. Think of it as a way to organize your code to make it easier to manage and understand. Here's a simple breakdown. Model, this is the data and the logic that operates on that data. It's like the heart of your application, handling things like fetching data from a database, storing data, and making sure the data is in the right format view. This is what the user sees, the user interface, UI. It displays the data from the model and allows the user to interact with it. Controller, this acts as a middleman between the model and the view. It receives user input from the view, updates the model accordingly, and then tells the view what to display. In a nutshell, the user interacts with the view. The view tells the controller updates the model. The model updates the view. It helps separate concerns, making your code more organized, testable, and easier to maintain. Would you like me to elaborate on any of these components or give you a specific example? Smiling face with smiling eyes and rosy cheeks.
Shout out Mzansi AI. So this is very interesting. It sounds very similar to what we've implemented inside MIH. Let's open up our tech stack. Then I can show you it. So it sounds something similar to this. So we have a package. Let's show you over here nicely. We have a package. The package calls our service. The service updates our provider. Our provider pushes that data to our package, which is the front end. So this is the front end, our APIs, and then our provider. So this is the model. This is the view, and this is the controller, I guess. That's MVC. Yeah, so it's a different concept inside Flutter. So I think it's MVVM. Yeah. So it's MVVM architecture. So this is the one that we are implementing. So let's ask Mzansi AI about this one. Model, view, view model. Tell me about... So yeah, it's the same thing. It sounds very similar to me. I think when it comes to the first one, MVC that you were speaking about, I know people were speaking about it when it comes to like React applications and things. Let's listen.
Hey, waving hand. You're asking about MVVM, which is similar to MVC but with a few key differences. It's a popular architectural pattern, especially in UI development, and it's become really popular with frameworks like Xamarin and Angular. Here's the breakdown of MVVM. Model, just like in MVC, the model handles the data and business logic. It's responsible for fetching, storing, and manipulating data. View, this is the UI, what the user sees and interacts with. It's responsible for displaying data and capturing user input. View model, this is the key difference. The view model acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. It prepares the data from the model in a way that's easy for the view to display.
Yes.
It also contains the UI logic and commands that the view can use.
Cool. So I think this is they sound very similar, I must say. But the only difference is a view model in our case is a provider. So the provider deals with the data and updating the data, updating the state and all of those kind of things. But very similar. It was very challenging, I'm not going to lie. So we had to implement a concept of provider, Flutter provider, in order to achieve this what we are doing right now, this architecture that we're doing. Are you able to help? So wait, MVC had a view model. Nice. .NET developer here. Shout out Simpiwe. Shout out. Just that the view model falls under the model. Yeah. So they both very similar concept. I think similar concept, but for different target audiences. It was quite a different thingy. So I've been searching for bugs. Okay. Let's see. A Demon Fox over on Twitch jumped into the chat and he's asking us a few questions right now. So he first asked us, are you able to help with his code a little? It keeps getting stuck at this point or at one point. I've been searching for bugs. This is the link. Okay. Let's check it out. So microstudio.io or YOLU, what? Let's see. So how do I shout out? Is this another game? Shout out. Click any. What's happening? How do I press something? That's the part. How do I check your code? I'm not able to see your code to see what's happening, to read it and review it. You should move, but it gets stuck there. Okay, send us your code. We'll have a look. There's probably a loop somewhere. So while you're sending us your code, Demon Fox, I see Kutso is saying, let me hop off and finish the web app for my school. No problem. And let us know when we can view some of your project, Kutso. Thank you so much for joining the live. We appreciate you. Shout out. Let's have a look at the code. So this is Demon Fox's code. Am I supposed to create a new account? New user, create account. Okay, let me create an account quickly. Why does this look so sketchy, Demon Fox? So the beast. Accept this, create, save. Okay, now let's see if we can, if we click on something, does it take us there? It's just a small community right now. We're trying to grow it. Okay. So I went to this URL. I need to invite you. Okay, invite. How do I, let me send you a message on Twitch. Like username. Okay, the username is Yaso the Beast. I'll put it in the chat for you. Much love, Kutso. Shout out. Shout out. So I sent you my username over there now. So yeah, while you're checking that out, we can just continue with our work over here. Yeah, so we're creating a new window over here. So we need this and probably this. Oh no, we just need this over here. Copy. Insert. Paste. Yeah. Undo. Insert. Paste. Save. Won't make it 125, we'll make it 100. My account is confirmed. Let me do that also. Let me do that quickly. I thought it's just one of those things where you can just dive right in. Okay, I'm verifying now. Okay, my email has been verified. So let's close this, and drag this over. Yeah, I'm verified now. So you can do what you need to do, and we can, hopefully it'll work. So we have our logo. We need to have some text over here. Center text. Oh, let me yank or redo. Let me copy this. Oh, paste, undo, paste. Our title will be this. So our title will be, let's get started. Copy, paste, and then we should be able to copy the rest. So let's Shift V. Let's go all the way down. Let's yank this. Let's yank this. Head up, paste. Where was I putting this? Let's get started. Oh. Paste. Yeah. Shift V. It's not allowing me to send you an invite. Hectic. Hectic. I am here. I am verified. I don't want to click profile. Just now it exposes some things. Settings. So my account is verified. Profile. My description. Profile picture. Okay, I'm going to send you my public link. You should be able to see me from there. Maybe invite me via that. Let's go home again. Shift V, let's go down, 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 down. Delete. Save. Yeah, once again, we'll figure out if it's looking good a little bit later. There, you found me. I'm sure I must get an email or something. Let's have a look to see. Okay, no invite yet. No invite yet, but that's okay. Like, go to your studio projects. Create. Okay, there's it over here. Accept. Clone, export. Okay. Run it. Okay, this is Demon Fox's project over on Twitch. So we'll have a look to see why is his code not running correctly. So it's pausing over here. So let's see. Oh, there's many different things over here on the side. Game code. Okay, no. Lub. Where does your code start? Like, where's the main function? I'm not sure how else to ask that, but where's the main function? Events. Under animations. Intro. Oh, animation, title screen. Okay, let's see. So, okay, here's the init function. I'm just gonna expand this a little bit more so I can see better on my side. We'll minimize this. We'll expand this a little. Okay. What language is this also? My bad. What language is this, Oyolo? Intro timer 1, update function. If game mode equals intro, then if intro timer is more than 200 seconds, JavaScript, Lua, and Python. Hectic. Then game mode equals to intro 1. Python. So Oyolu saying this is JavaScript because I don't know a then and a end. So who is this? Octagon. Octagon is saying this is Python, but I've never seen a Python with a then and a thingy. And also Python uses definitions instead of functions. So I know that's the difference. Kotlin, great insights. Great insights coming through. Okay, let's see. Intro timer is 1. What is this over here? Why should the intro timer be equal to 200? When the intro timer is equal to 1, and then you're just plussing 1 over here at the end. On update 1 equal to 100, then you're plussing it to, you're adding 2 extra things to it. Then you're drawing if game mode equals to intro, then custom intro. And then custom intro is here. Yeah. Okay. You know what, Oyolu, I hope you don't mind. Copy. So this is what I like doing. I like going to like DeepSeek and stuff. So specifically DeepSeek for coding questions. Please assist me with this code. It gets stuck on the attached. It gets stuck. It gets stuck. I attached a screenshot. Shout out Bezo. Shout out Bezo for the follow. We appreciate you. So we have the code over here. Let's take a screenshot of where it's getting stuck. So we'll just expand this. Control Shift 4. Copy. Copy. Done. Paste. Okay, so once it uploads that image, we can be good to go. Oyolu, Demon Fox, Mzanzi, what is your favorite AI to use? So mine has been DeepSeek over the past like month or so, because why does it look like game dev? So Bizo, we are helping one of the members of Mzanzi over on Twitch with his code. So this is our code. This code over here is Flutter code. So we are creating the MIH app. So the MIH app looks like this. But one of the members of Mzanzi, Demon Fox, over on Twitch, asked us to assist him with his code where it's getting stuck in a specific screen like this one. A long time ago, what. So this is what we are fixing. Consolidate the update logic in the main. So let's see what they give us. So here, main problem is update 1. Missing function call update 1 is never called. Okay. So you know what, we'll just copy this for now. How do I comment things out in your code? Nice. Enter, paste. I hope I'm not breaking anything over here. So I added this new code in, and if we reload and see what happens. So he's saying we're not thinking. Okay, object animation line 8 equals in file check function click function. Oh, what is this? Oh, I didn't do. Oh, sorry. There's other code over here. There's other code. Let's undo. Control A, copy, comment it all out. Let's go back to our original code. Edit this and go all the way down, paste, send. Let's see. So let's see what Demon Fox is saying. I can't really use AI, so yeah, you're not DW. So I'm sure DW is like draw or something. Lubabalo, shout out for the follow. We appreciate you. Removed update 1. Consolidate all update logic. Okay. Fix the missing what in clear and thingy. Okay, copy. So we'll try it one more time. And we'll see what happens. Paste. How do I save? Control S. How do I save things? Does it auto save for us? Yeah, I think the tick over there auto save. So here's it loading, and then so there's an error keyword in the animation. Copy. Yeah. Copy. Paste. So this is what I do sometimes. I just send it the code and let it know that it's doing garbage over here. To help you better, please share the code from the files, animation, and click functions. Game code click functions. Game code click functions. What is this? This is some hectic stuff over here, Oyolo. This is a language that I don't know. And you're, wait. Back to project. Let me clone this. Let me not, let me not mess up your things over here. Yeah, let me not mess up your stuff. So let's say animation, shift enter. We'll paste that code and then we'll just keep on giving it more code until it comes right. Cause yeah, I have no idea what. And then what did it want? Click function. Click dash function underscore function. Over here, control A, copy, paste. Let's see if it can help us. Okay, I found the issue. That's the animation. Change this to this. Oh, so you are using, so this is Lua that we're using right now. Let's see what else it says. Fix the game click function. Key changes. Okay. So they're saying under the animation, we need to change this line with this. Then under the game click function, we need to change or fix for this one. Here's the corrected copy. This is why I like DeepSeek. DeepSeek gives you the entire code, the file, in order to do things. So I see it's saving. It's saved. Now let's reload it. Let's see what other errors we get, if at all. So same thing. Copy, paste. What line? Line 3, column 10, animation click. So, the first 10 lines of animation. Okay. So it's saying give me the first 10 lines of animation, which is here. Copy. Animation. Paste. What's it? Click function. Click function. And the first 10 lines of that click function. Copy, paste. Let's see what it says. I feel like DeepSeek is doing garbage right now. So this one, current broken code is over. Update function. If game code equals to intro, then this. Game equals to 1 end. Oh, okay, over here. Copy. Under animation. Sawbana J, nice to see you over on YouTube. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Paste. Then for this one, click function. Okay. So So over here, let's see what's it saying. Click function. Oh my word. Click function was to, so AI is doing garbage to show that this is for the click underscore function file. Let's see, let's reload things. Nah, same thing. Oyolu, definitely, I have no idea how to assist you with this fix, if I'm being honest. This language is unfamiliar to me. I don't even know how to read the error messages. On line 4, column 3. This is animation. On line 4, column 3. On line 4, column 3. On line 4, then yeah, I'm so sorry, Demon Fox. I don't think I'm able to assist you this evening. That language is confusing me. I don't even know how to read the error messages. So we'll continue with our migration of our alerts. Look for in on line 4. Oh, sorry, damn it. I just closed the things. Let me go back in. So I see a colon over here is telling us look for in on line 4. Okay. Go home. Let's go to our copy. So let's run it and see what it says. Okay, so it's saying error expected keyword in. This is what the error is saying. Let us know, our Lua experts. So the error is saying expected keyword in the animation file at line 4, column 3. So line 4 is end over here. So I don't know, this is line 4. For consistency, let me delete this actually, because that's just one of their comments. You know, let's go to a different AI. So we can scroll down to the bottom. Let's delete this code because this is the code that DeepSeek gave us. Delete. So Control A here, copy. Let's go to Gemini. And I heard Gemini 3 is out. I don't know where Gemini 3 is available. But I heard Gemini 3 is soon to be available. I think it's on their new coding assistant. Please help fix my code. When the game starts, it gets stuck. The internet is broken today, definitely. The internet is slow today because of Cloudflare. So there's been some issues with Cloudflare, and like half of the internet is running on Cloudflare, and yeah, everything. I can't wait to be on the updated engine. Shout out. So let's see. The fix updating, update and update one. I've modified update function, transition into intro one and intro two. Is this the entire code? Changes, copy. Shout out. I couldn't access Canva because of Cloudflare. Exactly. Canva was off. Lucky I'm using the, I don't know, lucky I'm using the app version that's on my Mac. That's why I'm able to, I was able to use it. But yeah, you are right. I heard that thingy is also, Canva is also down because of that. Let's reload and see. I don't understand these error messages. The in, expected keyword in. Oh, I did. Yeah, I copied everything over. I get these errors. It looks like you're encountering common Lewis syntax errors. On this one and this one. Animation expected warning 110. Okay, the fix do. Okay, so we need to add a little do over there. So be generic for loop. Okay, for do this. Okay, so let's go to here and for I in. Where was that? Please give me the. Oh, let's. You know what? Let's go to what's this, people? Let's undo this, redo this. Yeah, cancel. Control Y. Yeah. Let's go to what's it? Claude. Claude is also another one that I use when it comes to like coding questions. Let's go to Google. Let's copy this. Paste it in. Well, it looks like DeepSeek and Thingy were giving garbage today. I found the issue your code gets stuck because the game never transitions from intro 1 to intro 2. Here's what happens. The game updates. In update, the game changes from intro to intro 1, which is correct. But there the code doesn't change from intro 1 to intro 2. Your update 1 function only handles the transition from intro 2 to intro 3. But update 1 is never called. Okay. So function update. Shout out Liwata. Thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. Let's reload it. Something's happening. Nice, so it's working now. He is known as. Cool. Let's send this code to Demon Fox. There's still another issue over here, but this issue we won't deal with because the thing that he asked us to assist with is now assisted. Let's see how we can send this to him. I think I can do it on Twitch. Whisper. Paste. Before continuing, please verify your. Oh my word. I don't want to. I think he sent me an email before also. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay. I have no idea. We'll see if he dives back into the chat. Let's see if I can send that message. Paste. Paste. Where's this? Copy. Paste. Nah, it doesn't have everything. Yeah, you see, everything seems to be working now in this code. We'll keep it there in the background. If he dives back into the chat, we can let him know. Or what I can do, copy. Let's go back, or back to projects, this one. So Control A, comment it out. Enter, paste. Reload. Alpha kept, okay. A long time ago, what, and click, and then the powerful of them all. Okay. I think I might have copied the same code. Copy. Paste. Yeah, this looks better. This looks like the actual code. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Cool, let's dive back into our code. So our code is, we are hooking up we are migrating over to our new alert system of using our windows instead of the regular alert widgets that we use, that we have been using, that we have coded for. So if we, where was this? If we click here, alert, red, error updating this, text. Okay, so this can just be a standard error message. Oh, MIH alert services dot I think I should just be able to have error. What is there? So it's a title and a message. Perfect. So I'm going to yank around my quotes, and I'll O paste. And then I'll yank this one. I'll paste it here. Now this alert should be sorted. So we can remove this. Delete. Save. Now there should be one more that we have to fix. And this is a success one. So it should be just a basic success. Yeah, a basic success. So O, MIH alert services. Yo, undo. O, MIH alert services dot success basic alert. Paste. So there's only a message that's required. Delete. And then the message. Yeah. Shift V. Down, down, down. Up. delete, save, control dot. Yo, still a long way to go. Still a long way to go. You know what I think we should do? Let's flip the. No, let's not flip. I think we'll go for another like 10 minutes or so, and then we can call it an evening. So let's do like one more file, one or two more files. This package alert successful, and yeah, this is we need an advanced message, an advanced success message. MIH alert services dot advanced over here, enter. So what we're gonna need is the title. We're gonna need our message. Okay, message, and then comma, and then this, and then context. Cool. And then from here, what we'll need is we'll just add our button over there. And this is our button. Yank, paste, save, and then we should be able to delete this. Shift V, go all the way down, delete, save. Okay, then we can do our setup business pop-up. Oh, there's two more left. So setup business pop-up. So this one over here, I think we'll have to go with a regular window instead of doing what we've been doing. So we can say return MIH package window, false, title null, on window close null, body column with children. Yeah, cool, escape, perfect. So we're gonna have to, it looks like, yank, append here, paste, save. Okay, then we need something for our, what is this? We need something for our title. Copy. Paste. And then it will be set up business. Copy, paste. And then we should be able to just copy everything else. Shift. I think maybe yank this. Paste this. Now we can copy all the things. Shift V down. Yank up. Redo. Paste. Nice. Yo, I know it's gonna be a huge task when it comes to adding things, or when it comes to testing all of these things out. I know it's going to be a huge job. Undo, yeah. And one more. So this is warning, too slow. Okay, username already exists. So we already have something built for this. MIH alert services dot user Do I have that? Cisco error. Shout out Langa for the follow. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Let's go edit alert. Yeah, we'll just go this route. Comma here. Title. Copy, paste, yank, paste up, delete. Yeah. Perfect. So I think for sure that the colors are definitely going to be an issue on this side. Definitely going to be an issue. So that's the one thing that we need to fix. MIH personal settings. Package alert. Amber, are you sure? Ah, so this must be an advanced error. An advanced warning. Oh. MIH alert services dot error advanced. Yeah. Yeah. Enter. I flippin' hate Young K. Shout out for the follow. So this one takes in a title, message, and action. So the title will be, are you sure? Yank. Paste, and then the thingy, yank, up. Paste. The actions, append, square brackets, here, enter, and then it's context d what. Let's save this. Cool, so now we just need to add these buttons in. Shift V down, delete, or yeah, yank, up, insert, okay, that's fine. Shift V down. Oh, what we can do is copy this. You know, let me just add the provider in over here. What provider is it? Profile provider. Zanzi profile provider. Zanzi profile provider. Save. Let's shift V. Let's go all the way down. Delete. Shout out. Who is this? Riao. Yo, let me see. Let me pronounce this properly. Riao Baka M. Shout out for the love you so much. We appreciate you. Make sure to follow, like, subscribe, and make sure to download the MIH app, available on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the web. Just search MIH or MIH app, and we will appear at the top of the list. We appreciate you. So this error we're gonna have to, I'm sure I included my provider over here. Zanzi. No providers here. Get body. Profile provider. Cool. And then I can go over here, insert. Cool. Then up here, get body. Okay. Now I can just use a consumer over here. Change inside words. Consumer. Profile provider. VWWC return. And then if we go down, just over here, insert here, perfect. I think it's value. Change inside word, Mzansi profile provider. Which language is this? This is Dot. So what we are using now is Dot, and the framework, I guess if you want to call it that, is Flutter. So that's what we are using in order to create MIH. Spoko, shout out for the follow. We appreciate you. So yeah, we are using Flutter. It is a cross-platform development platform framework. And so that means you code once. So what you're seeing here, we're coding in Dot. And then you can deploy it to all of the different stores like Android, iOS, Android again, and the web. Many different, so this is the web version that you're seeing right now. And you can, depending on what type of, or how you code, you can do it for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS also. You're amazing. Thank you so much, Theo. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Shout out. Shout out. You are also amazing, Mzansi. So how many more are there? So there's a couple more that are left. So if we drag this over so everyone else can see, there's quite a few files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this one we're going to delete afterwards. So there's 10 files out here that we still have to fix. And it will probably take like another hour or so. Once again, this is tedious work trying to get rid of the legacy issues of your code, right? This is why people hate working on legacy code, because you're always fixing or solving old issues when you didn't have the knowledge at the time. So cool, let's flip over. We enjoyed the live this evening. Oyolu, if you're still out there, we appreciate you. The code is fixed now that you asked us to help you with. With the power of Claude Code, we were able to fix it. Do you use Replit sometimes? I'm going to ask Mzansi quickly what Replit is. What is... So you can see also. Let us know if Mzansi AI is talking nonsense. But let's have a listen.
Hey there, waving hand. You're asking about Replit. It's a really cool online integrated development environment. I'd think of it as a complete coding workspace that lives in your web browser grinning face with starry eyes.
Thank you so much for that question, Theo. So no, we use VS Code in order to develop from. When we were using the online IDE, that was Demon Fox. So he uses, what's this thing called? So Demon Fox over on Twitch uses something called Micro Studio. So Micro Studio is like a game lab, I guess, where you can create games and all of those kind of things. That's your AI 100%. That's Mzansi AI that you just witnessed. Mzansi is right. Shout out Mzansi AI. You know what? Before I go, before we leave, let's flip over again. So I'm super excited. I don't know when this is going to happen. It's probably going to happen in I/O. But yeah, this is Mzansi AI. Let's clear a new chat and say, ask who are you? Who are you? So what I'm excited about is a Gemini 3 that's coming out soon. But also I'm excited about their open source version. So as you know, our AI, the foundation of that is Gemma 3N, which is Google's open source version of an LLM. So I'm waiting for maybe Gemma 4 to come out, which is based on Gemini 3. Super cool things. Let's have a listen to see what Mzansi AI is all about.
Hello there, waving hand. I'm Mzansi AI, your friendly AI assistant here to help you navigate the awesome world of the MIH app Smiling Face with Smiling Eyes and Rosy Cheeks. I'm built by the amazing team at Mzansi Innovation Hub, a South African startup working to make life easier for everyone. Think of me as your go-to guide within the app. I can answer your questions, help with creative writing, and generally lend a hand with whatever you need. I'm all about providing accurate information while keeping things casual and fun. So, don't hesitate to ask away, grinning face with smiling eyes.
Thank you so much, Mzansi AI. So that's what Mzansi AI is all about. So with so there's two questions on TikTok and one over on YouTube. So the one on TikTok, can we access it to 100%? You can. We are available on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the web. All you have to do to find us is search MIH or MIH app, and you will find us at the top of the list. If you're still struggling, search the full thing, Mzansi Innovation Hub. That's what MIH is. That's what MIH stands for. So we currently have 1,111 people and 50 businesses a part of the MIH community. So we would love to have you as the 1,112th person that joins our community. And then Theo was asking, with you I can make millions. Shout out. That's the plan. That's the goal. So Jay, you're asking, does Quotes still join the live? So yeah, he does join the live once in a while. So I think it was either yesterday or the day before. No, not the day before, Thursday last week when he joined the live. So yeah, it's nice seeing him in. He pops in once in a while. And it's nice seeing all the different people come back to the lives. This is why we love the live so much. But yeah, please feel free to download MIH right now. Available on any platform out there. Let's flip this. Our goal is to be everywhere, but we will achieve that slowly but surely. You're an inspiration, bruh. Thank you so much. You inspire us. So we are creating this for you. We're creating it for Mzansi. We're not creating it for ourselves. So we appreciate you. Let's see a test. A test? I'm downloading after this. Shout out, shout out, shout out. What test would you like to see, Jay? Let us know. Let us know, let us know. So yeah, I created this application not for myself. I created it for all of us to make all of our lives a lot easier, a lot better, a lot smoother, simpler. And there's many different MIH packages out there that that provides you with different kinds of benefits. For example, we have the Mzansi Wallet, a place for you to store your loyalty cards digitally. How much is your consultation? We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So great question. I'm gonna have to flip the screen again to answer that question for you. So if you'd like to reach out for us for consultations, for other things, what you can do is please feel free to scan this QR code on the screen right now. So this package that I'm showing you right now is called the Mzansi Directory. The Mzansi Directory is a place for you to search for people and businesses of Mzansi. So our business falls under the technology category. So if you scroll down to technology, click on search, you will see Falcon Systems and then Mzansi Innovation Hub. What you can do is you can click on it. It'll take you through to our business info tab, where you can call us, email us, navigate to us, visit our website, rate us, or bookmark us. And if you don't want to go through that whole long story to find us, what you can do is you can scan this QR code on the screen right now. It'll take you directly through to our business info tab. And then what you can do, email, or you can email me and we can go from there, or you can just DM me on TikTok. And yeah, we can set up a session. We can chat for one session. The first session is free. And then thereafter we'll make a plan. But yeah, you can definitely hit us up. So cool. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the MIH Live this evening. We do appreciate each and every one of you for your likes, for your views, for your chats, for everything. Just being here and participating in the MIH Live. Jay, jumping over to TikTok. We love it. Like I mentioned, W's in the chat, W's in the chat. Like I mentioned, we are live Monday to Thursday at 7 p.m. So please feel free to follow, and if you enjoy the live, you can jump in and see what's happening. And if you like the application that we are working on, you can download it through the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the web. Just search MIH or MIH app, and we will appear at the top of the list. If you'd like to support us, you can follow us on all the different platforms. We are live on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. So Kick is the TV experience. YouTube and TikTok is the mobile experience, but TikTok is the more, not TikTok, YouTube is the better experience because we are sharing our screen over there, not using my camera to show you what's happening. So the experience is way better that side. You can ask Jay, he just moved over now. So you can ask him what the experience is like over there. And then, yeah, if you'd like to support us even further than you already are supporting us, what you can do is you can become a premium member of Mzansi. Is C# still relevant? Of asking for a friend. So I'm not sure. I only learned C. Yeah, I've only learned C in my life. So I'm not sure if C++ is or C# is still relevant. I'm not sure. Let's ask Mzansi AI. No. Let's close things out because the live is going to go forever. So yes, you can become a premium member of Mzansi through TikTok or Patreon. If you want to go the TikTok route, make sure to follow us. Once you follow us, head over to our profile. Then you will find a subscribe button. You can click on that to become a premium member of Mzansi. Or you can head over to Patreon, search for us, or on the About MIH package, there should be a button that says support our journey. Click on that button and that'll navigate you over to our Patreon page. There you can subscribe and become a premium member of Mzansi. That unlocks early access to the latest version of MIH. It unlocks private Discord access, private Discord server access. You'll get monthly live hangouts with us. So we'll have like a Zoom call or something where all of us are chatting instead of chatting through the normal chat on the different platforms. And then we have shout outs. So at the end of the live, we will have shout outs for the different people or for the different premium members of Mzansi. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining this evening's MIH Live. We do appreciate it. And we hope to see you here tomorrow. And let's keep working hard, Mzansi.